Yo guys, it's the next morning of this video that's come. Like, basically this video recorded yesterday. I totally forgot to do an intro and an outro, so I'm doing it quickly now. So obviously yesterday was Sunday and obviously it's Monday today, so I had this video recorded. Now I was quite busy this weekend and I was sitting there and I was like sitting there on Sunday and I was like, crap, I don't have a video for today. So I was just like looking around. I was like looking for challenges and stuff like this. I was just like, oh, I'm not gonna be, I don't want to put out a rubbish video for you guys. And then I had an idea that came to my mind, as you can probably see by the title, is my IG followers, my Instagram followers. If you don't follow me on Instagram, it's at the end of the video as always. Well, I'll pop it in the bottom left corner right now. My Instagram followers basically pick my sets, exercises, reps, and what muscle group to do. Now, a lot of my Instagram followers are all indecisive, different, like, all pick different things. So for my sets, I think I had to do 5 sets. For my exercises, I had to do 10 exercises, and for my reps, I had to do 10 reps. And then for the muscles groups, a lot more, like half of you picked shoulders, half of you picked chest, and then a few others picked a few picked back, a few picked arms. So it was mainly like chest and shoulders were even. So I decided to do a chest and shoulder session, just because then it makes it easier. So I did 5 exercises for shoulders, 5 for chest, and I got a mad pump. It was ridiculous. At the end, I just did 100 press-ups instead of doing another chest exercise. Obviously, you'll see that I started off with bench. You see that I started off with bench is because I didn't do bench much last week. I did it once. Normally do it 2 or 3 times a week. The only reason I do bench 2 or 3 times a week is just to try and increase my bench max. That's the only thing for it. It's not an optimal way to train to do bench 3 times a week. It's just to increase my bench max. But yeah, guys, I hope you do enjoy the video. Now, it's a little something different for you guys, obviously. If you enjoy something like this, then I'll keep doing more stuff like this where you can have a bit more of a say on what I do with my training and stuff like that. Obviously, when I put it out yesterday, I put it on my story, and then 3 hours later, I went to the gym, and not many people had done it because obviously it's a Sunday, so not many people are on the phones. And then I got more people doing it last night. So what I might do, and I might do it again, and then pick different things for it, and then do it the following day, so it gives people a chance to actually do it. But yeah, obviously, I hope you have enjoyed the video. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Hope you do enjoy the video and run the montage. I do want to give a bit of disclaimer before I run the montage. The reason why the camera quality changes so much through this video is because I managed to get my back camera working again, and then I thought it was going to be alright until I looked back at the footage and it was all fuzzy, so my back camera is basically battered. So I apologise for the quality of this video. It won't be this bad in the next video. Obviously the quality of it is on YouTube is fine, but it's just how fuzzy it is, and it's terrible. It looks like I'm using an Android.
Bodybuilding, it's about the heart, the passion, the love, the commitment, and the energy you're willing to put into it. That is bodybuilding. That's bodybuilding. That's where it always will be. That's what it always has been, and people forgot. When I walked in Gold's Gym, it was like, wow, this is heaven. This is heaven on earth. I mean, you could sense and feel the energy in the gym. It was just amazing. That environment, the one Gold's Gym, we had 12 guys and 3 girls. One Gold's Gym. That was the fitness industry. But anything was possible. Robbie Robinson was like a Black Panther walking from exercise to exercise. Frank Zane would do 1 set of sit-ups, Roman chair sit-ups, for an hour. I'm like, wow, where are these guys from?
you let go of your sword? You think I give up just because you're more powerful than me? We'll find a way to beat you! The only reason I continue to fight is because I have to win! I have to move! Move! Damn it! Why am I here? Why have I come all this way? It's all for nothing if I don't win! I need to win! Why am I here? Why have I come all this way? It's all for nothing if I don't win! What do you mean? She's calling. She's in trouble. She hates me. Get up. Get up. I have to get up. I promise. I will protect you!
As always, a video there. I hope you did enjoy it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn the bell notifications on so you know when I upload. We upload Monday, Wednesday, Friday. That's the upload schedule. If you want to be able to be involved in one of these things, all my socials on the bottom left corner. Guys, I keep yawning. Guys, you guys are actually smashing it with subs at the moment. Last video, most of you were subscribed, so that's on the up. But if you aren't subscribed and you're watching this, just hit that subscribe button, man. Just do it, We are on the up though, with subscribes coming up and that. But yeah, I hope you have enjoyed the video, and I hope this is a good start to your week. Now, obviously, it's a Monday, so I'm going to give a bit of Monday motivation. I've got nothing on the top of my head right now, but basically it's just something simple. Let's just keep going. No matter what's stopping you in life, no matter how bad your situation is, if you can find the light in your situation and manage to turn that negative situation into a positive, you're already winning. And don't let people who are keeping that negative situation and don't want you to turn a positive to drag you down. If you've got friends who are constantly dwelling on the negative like mind and their negative mindset and stuff like that, if they're constantly dwelling on being negative and you want to be positive, don't let them drag you down. You have to cut people off to be able to grow. Remember that. Enjoy the rest of your week.